Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, April 13. The markets are strongly going up right now. It's not, we don't really know the reason why it happened. And it goes up because the China and the London markets are going up. But it's the reason why they are going up that is very suspicious to me. And first of all, the US dollar is bouncing back within its downtrend, so it's a new bullish cycle after reaching a very low level. But you know, look at the movement here. The most interesting thing is to see the Japan market that rose, beginning a new bullish cycle within the downtrend, but it's overbought already. So and the China market also arrives in overbought situation, and it's reversing its downtrend. So it seems to be a pretty strong movement, unjustified movement. And what about the London market doing the same thing as well? So strongly breaking out. Then, if we look at our market, the Nasdaq market rose until the resistance, very slightly breaking it, but it's not nearly as strong as it is in the London market. And if you look also at the volume for today, the Dow Jones is at 37 million, and when it's a big volume, it's about 130. So we'll never make the average volume during the day today, and it also at a very important resistance as well. So I found this movement very suspicious with this low volume, the market breaking out under the resistance, but less than the market has done in Europe, and the SPY is about the same. And the TS6 has also reached its previous resistance. So the question is, will this movement continue? If we look at the energy sector, yesterday there was a rumor that Saudi Arabia and the Russians had agreed on something, and finally today the Minister of Energy of Saudi Arabia denied it. He said, no, there is no agreement in between Saudi Arabia and Russia, and we don't even think there will be an agreement on freezing the crude oil production. So then someone must explain me why the crude oil hasn't come down then, and why the stock that rose so much yesterday has not changed direction on this information, if there was no agreement in between them. So the situation is overbought there too, and everywhere the situation is overbought right now. So it's not clear that this movement could continue. It's certainly not the place to acquire new position. Yesterday there was lots of signals everywhere, but not anymore today. And on stocks like Anseng Energy Service, I think this is a place to cash on some profit, and certainly not to buy. So and then the gold is beginning a correction today. It's overbought there too, and the gold stocks are beginning a correction too. You'd say, okay, normally when it breaks through an important resistance like that, it goes far. Yes, but it cannot go alone. The gold hasn't done it. So the gold has a negative peak, and it's coming down right now. So the gold stock has overperformed the gold. So to me, this is a place to diminish the positions again. And what about the mining? The mining did break down last week. It was a sell signal, and then we got a V-shaped return, and now it's going up since 4 days. And if you look at today's movement, it went up at the opening, but never done anything after. So I think, to me, we're at the end of this cycle, and it's it's a place to take profit if you did participate to this bullish cycle. There's so many bizarre things today about same thing in the financials. If you look at the financials in the state, the movement has been very strong. It's overbought, and it has reached the resistance, and there is no news that justified this movement on the financials. Even worse than that, there's a news saying that the 5 of the 8 largest bank in the states don't have a credible plan to close down their operation if there was any crisis, and they wouldn't be able to do that without the public money. And so it's not even a positive news, and all the banks are going up. So explain me why. That's a big thing. So today there is the industrial sector and the financial sector that are very strong, but for the rest of the sector, nothing's happening on consumer discretionary, neither on telecom, neither on real estate, and utilities, and healthcare is still coming down, and even the consumer staples are breaking down. So to me, it seems like our market is not going to follow the rest of the market. So are we going to set the pace, and the other market will come back down? It's pretty hard to know, but to me, it's not a place. I don't see any sector that begins something that we can say, okay, now it's a go, we can go, because it's a new a cycle there. It's just not that. It's been going up for a few days already. Here's a first question. Hi, Michel. I missed a buy on TV this morning. TTV. Well, what's TTV? TV? Trivali Mining, I am. But you think you missed a buy on it, or where you see a favorable second chance to get in? but actually it's not very far. The stock is going sideways at the moment, but it hasn't gone very far. And if you look at the long support, the volumes are pretty nice at the moment. So there's still, you will still have a second chance if the stock, let me take it further here. The best signal you could get is whenever the stock goes sideways here and then breaks through at 45. So that would be a nice pattern. AVL is nice too today. Avalon is pushing up again, showing a new bullish cycle and within this new uptrend. So there's nothing else we can say. It's definitely the beginning of a new bullish cycle. And high is dust a buy now. Dust. That's the direction. Gold miner, 3-time bear. I mean, it's not clear yet, you know. If let's check the intraday chart. So we don't see it very clearly on the daily chart, but if you look at the intraday chart, it is clear that the next signal would be $2.25, $2.25. Is GUD a buy? Night therapeutic, actually very nice today. But is the volume credible with 70,000? The stock can go up to 500,000 and a million. But today, I'm surprised just seeing 70,000 share traded. And at this level, it's quite funny. You see the volume very low right now. So if you would just look at this movement here, it looks pretty neat. Very nice buy, but I'm missing the volume there. That's the only thing I don't like about this signal. It's not a bad signal, but it's not a very good signal.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the market is stable now. Maybe we have reached this this potential top already. Susie said, I'm interested in subscribing to Guru and I don't have much time to trade during the day. Can I use Guru to swing trade? And do you have a track record of all past pick? First of all, Guru.tv has been made for swing trading, and we added some functionalities for like top 5 intraday for day trading and stuff like that. But the first mission of Guru.tv is to coach you about the best timing to buy in and take profit and sell. The analysts also have a portfolio. So if we have a record of all past picks, it's pretty tough to give a record of all picks because there are so many picks. Okay, and actually Guru.tv is like an ongoing course, and you have to learn, and it's a kind of a tool. Guru.tv, the market Guru.tv gives you a choice of things, but also most importantly give you the pace and when start buying and what to buy, but it gives you a choice. And with the quantity that there is, it's pretty hard to get a pick, a record. But what you do have when you go to the site, that every time there's a breakout and a breakdown, you can see that with the circle we put on the chart where the stock has been indicated, and you can see how many signal works and how many signal don't works. So, and here's the next question. TST Toronto. Let me get on it. TST. Stat Therapeutic. Nice little movement today. Not enough though. The volume is 4,777,000, and but it's missing something there. So let's look at it on the 15-minute chart. It's a huge volume, but there are a volume of 2.5 million right at the opening today. But you know, I think the best place to buy this stock whenever it breaks the 13 cents, so 13 to 14 or even 15 cents would be a better place. And but you did buy at 7.5 and sold at 12 this morning. What do you think about it? It's all right. I mean, look, you have proven yourself being right, because now the stock is back to 11, but it's still a good trade. But maybe you could have sold only half of the position, because from 7 to 12, because it's probably not done yet. But you know, you still can buy again whenever the stock breaks at 14 cents. So you can make it from 14 to 20 at least, at the least. Market really do look like a trap, and it started on a rumor. I'd like to know where it is coming from. Me neither. We don't know. Hey, do you think Techbe is a short trade for a quick 2-3 days? Maybe. But remember, we were in an uptrend before, so we had a reversal signal here, and it's pretty difficult to know right now. You know, I think it's taking a big risk to try to short it at that level without seeing yet if the stock will stop going up. You know, I think it's a tough call right now. ERX is a buy. Let me check. It's the last email. ERX. That's in the US. ERX. The direction is the G3 time bull. Look, it does exactly what the sector is doing as well. To me, I don't think we should buy that, and I think you should buy this only in the eventuality that we have a couple of days of pause there and then break out. But you know, with the meeting on Sunday, the countries, the producing countries will meet to try to freeze the production, and I mean something can happen there. And at 2 days from there, buying that I think is pretty risky stuff. Thank you very much for attending. Have a great